Okay, numerical number 22. Compare the rates of emission of heat. Rate of emission of heat means dq by dt. By a black body maintained at 727 degrees Celsius, means first body is at 727 degrees Celsius. Let's convert it into Kelvin. How will we convert it? By 727 plus 273 Kelvin. So that gives me 1000 Kelvin. Then, and at 227 degrees Celsius, means the another body is at 227 degrees Celsius. So let's convert it into Kelvin. 227 plus 273 Kelvin, that is 500 Kelvin. So again the ratios means dq 1 upon dq upon dt for one for this temperature T1, and dq upon dt2 for this temperature. We will have to find the ratio. Now, if these two black bodies are surrounded by an enclosure which is also black and that is maintained, means the surrounding is at 27 degrees Celsius, means if we convert it into Kelvin, it will be 300 Kelvin. So what would be the ratio of their rates of loss of heat? Here they are talking about loss of heat. So the formula will be dq upon dt is equal to sigma, which is at, if we consider it in first case, which is at higher temperature T1 or T0, of course T1. So it will be T1 raised to 4 minus T0 raised to 4 upon dq upon dt, and we'll also have over here area sigma. Now in case second condition, T2 is at higher temperature or at T0, of course T2 it is 500 and this is 300, so it will be T2 raised to 4 minus T0 raised to 4. So area gets cancelled, sigma gets cancelled. So what is remaining? That is T1 raised to 4. What is T1? That is 1000 raised to 4, and T0, that is 300 raised to 4 upon T2, that is 500 raised to 4 minus 300 raised to 4. Now see, here we have two zeros, here we have two zeros, here all the powers are same. Here two zeros, here two zeros, here two zeros, here two zeros. So I'll remove two zeros from here and two zeros from here. Let it be 10 raised to 4 minus 3 raised to 4. From here two zeros are removed and from here two zeros are removed. That will be 100 raised to 4. Same I'll be doing in the denominator. It will be 5 raised to 4 and 3 raised to 4. Two zeros are removed outside and that is raised to 4. That gets cancelled. 10 raised to 4. That is 0 4 times. 3 3s are 9. Okay. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. 9 9s are 81. 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. 25 25. 6 25, and this again 81. 1000 minus 81, 10,000 minus 81, it will be 10, it will be 9 and 9 9, and this will be 0. So this is 9 1 9 9 9919 upon 625 minus 81, 625 minus 81, it will be 1 15. 15 minus 1, oh, sorry 5 minus 1 4, this will be 5 and this will be 12. 12 minus 8 4, so 544. We'll be applying log, so anti-log log of first digit in the numerator and this. So it is log of 9919 and 544. That will give me the ratio. So anti-log, here we have 4 digits, so 4 minus 1 3 point. We'll see log for 99 ka 1 ka 9. That will be, you all can check in your logbooks, that will be 9965. I want everyone to check it in your logbook. 3 digits, 3 minus 1 2. 54 ka 4, that will be 7356. We'll be subtracting these 2 digits, that is 3.9965 2.7356. let's subtract, this will become 5. 15 में से 6 निकाल दो, it will give you 9 0. 9 में से 3 निकालो 6, 9 में से 7 निकालो, it will be 2. So 12609. we'll be finding anti-log of 1.2609. let's see for 26 का 0 का 9. so that will be 1823. After one digit we'll put point and 10 raised to 1. So we'll move by 10 raised to 1 because here we have 1. So we'll move the digit to 1 point. It will be 18.23. This is the ratio. So how you'll write the answer? The answer obtained is dq upon dt for first condition upon dq upon dt. For second condition is how much it is obtained? 18.23. So 18.23 upon 1, or you all can also write it as dq by dt for first condition is 2, dq by dt for second condition is 18.23 is to 1. This is the ratio obtained.